Hello everyone. How are you all? I'm doing good. Are you happy? And today is Friday. Friday is completely activities, no academics at all. But today, what is the day and the date? Just we'll look after on whiteboard. Have a look. Today date is 12-6-2020 and the day is Friday. Friday? Colors Day, because we all wear a beautiful color dresses on Friday. Do you remember that? There was no colored school dress. Okay, let's have a look on days of the week. Days of the week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Saturday is a holiday. Once again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And what is the day today? Friday. Where is Friday? Can you tell me where is Friday? Number 1 is Friday? No. 2 is Friday? No. 3 is Friday? Not at all. 4th is a Friday? No. 5th is? See? 5th is it Friday? Friday, F. Is it F? No. 6th is Friday. What is the spelling? Can you tell me the spelling? Friday. 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 And the day is something, today's weather is very beautiful. Partially sunny and partially cloudy. See, there's a bright sun over here. Beautiful clouds. Birds are flying. There's a tree and a beautiful flower here, a rose flower. And next, something we'll learn about the colors today. See, on my shirt is a grey color and green color. Did you see the color? And here we have a beautiful colors over here. Can you see the colors? This is my dress color. What you are wearing today? Is it red color? Check out. What is this? This is red color. What are you wearing today? Is it red color? Is it yellow color? Is it orange color? Is it green color? Is it pink color? Pinky, always girls like pink color. Is it blue color? Boys, bright blue color. Is it purple color? Are you wearing a purple color dress today? No? Is it grey color? See, this is mine is a grey color. This is grey color. This is brown color. Teddy bear is in brown color. Milk is in which color? White color. Did you all drink milk today? That's good. What is this? This is a black color. Once again, we'll repeat. Red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, blue color, pink color, purple color, grey color, brown color, white color and black color. We can see black clouds when rain comes. Let's have some good rhymes today. Come on Aruna, let's have some rhymes.
Hello children, which rhyme do you want to sing today? Today being Friday, let's sing some action rhymes, okay? Are you all ready?
Oh, let's have it.
Come on.
Boogie.
Yes, get up from your place, stand in front of your TV or your laptop and then let's get started.
Stand up, put your right hand up. Put your right hand up.
Yeah.
This is my right hand. You have to show your right
Yeah,
hand.
if you turn like this is your right hand. Yes?
Put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about to do the boogie woogie and make yourself around, and that's what it's all about. Next, left hand. This is my left hand. Come on, take out your left hand. That's good. Put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and shake it all about to do the boogie boogie and make yourself around, and that's what it's all about. Oh, I finished my 2 hands. Next, what are not?
Next comes the foot.
Oh, there's a
your
leg.
right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about to do the boogie woogie and make yourself around, and
That's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about to do the boogie boogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. I finished my two foot.
Now do the whole body.
Oh, that's
Do
great.
The boogie boogie. Come on, twist, twist, twist your
The
body.
boogie boogie. Next.
Okay.
Do the boogie boogie.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
what it's all about.
Wow, that's great. I hope you're all enjoying the rhyme. Next rhyme.
Head and shoulders.
Okay, this is my head.
Head,
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hey, come on, let's do it faster.
faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Oh, I'm tired.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Stand for a minute.
Yeah.
It was lovely rhyme. Yes? You all should do the practice. Next one. Aruna, why don't you start something good one?
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands.
Roll your hands.
Roll your hands. Listen to the music and roll your hands. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around.
Snap your fingers.
Snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers. Yay! That's nice. Next one. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know, roll your hands.
Roll your hands.
Roll, 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 roll.
Fast, fast, fast. If you're happy and you know, roll your hands, roll your hands. If you're happy and you know, you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, roll your hands.
If you're happy and you know.
Turn around, turn around.
around.
If you're happy and you know, turn around, turn around. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, turn around, turn around.
If you're happy and you know, stomp up high, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, stamp your feet. Your feet.
Now you can do all together.
That's
if you're
great.
happy and you know, clap your hands, roll your hands,
Roll your hands.
snap your fingers,
Snap your fingers, turn around.
stomp your feet,
Stamp your feet.
jump up high,
Jump up high.
and say hooray!
Hooray. The next one.
Okay, which one do you want to sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. You have to see the stars in the sky. Oh, today morning I've seen a big spider in my house, you know.
Oh really?
It was very scary.
I remember a rhyme when Geeta says your man is saying spider. Shall we sing that? Itsy bitsy spider climbed the water spout.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried upon the rain. Itsy bitsy
Spider climbed the spout again. Now let's sing this in Hindi.
Okay.
छोटा मोटा मकोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ गया, बारिश आया नीचे, मकोड़ा डर गया. सूरज
डर गया.
सूरज आया बाहर, पानी सूख गया, छोटा मोटा मकोड़ा फिर से चढ़ गया. Makoda is the spider. Be careful, there is
Oh, don't touch.
spiders.
Don't,
Yeah.
you don't try to touch that one, okay? You just see and tell your parents that there is a spider. Right?
how about a story now?
No, I just want to say one more rhyme. It's very lovely rhyme, you know. It's like hop a little, jump a little. Come on, let's jump.
Hop a
Hop
little.
a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap on me. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Once again.
Okay.
Okay. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap on me. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Yay! Let's go and see some stories. Come on, follow us. Oh, there is a story. We have 2 stories today. Already I told you one story, but we'll repeat once again. Nothing wrong in repeating the stories because we enjoy the stories. The story name is Thirsty Crow. LKG, Term 1, Course Book, Term 1, and the page number is, where's the page number? I'm not finding page number. Oh, there's a page number 57. Okay, did you see the book? All of you check out the book and see the story. There's a beautiful picture over here. There's a bright sun, there's a crow. A crow is flying. Okay, one day a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there, but could not find the water. At last, he found a pot of water, but there was very little water in the pot. Crow thought of a plan. Pick some stones, put it in the pot, one by one. Plop, plop, plop. The water came up. The crow drank the water, flew away very happily. The moral of the story is, you have to think wisely. Whenever you're in difficult, just don't rush. Just stay calm, think properly. You will get a very good ideas. Okay? Aruna will say another story for UKG.
Which one is that?
For UKG, I want to say, there is a sheep story. It's
Okay.
really interesting story, you know.
Okay.
UKG course book, term 1. Let's have a look into a good story, and we can learn from this story so much. You know, what is the story name? Can you tell me the story name?
The boy who cried.
Yes.
Yeah, the shepherd boy who cried wolf.
Who cried? Okay. The story name is The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Listen carefully the story. It's very interesting and very good story, and you need to learn good thing from this story. Once there was a shepherd boy. Shepherd boy means who takes care of sheep and goats, like other animals also. Okay. Once there was a shepherd boy who had looked after a flock of sheep. See, there are flock of sheep, but this boy has only sheep. There are flock of sheep here, and one day he felt very lonely. I mean, he is feeling so boring. What is this daily that we are taking the sheep? So let us do something very naughty thing today. So he felt like one day he felt very lonely. He decided have some fun. So he shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" How he was shouting? He was shouting like there was no wolf, but he was trying to take a fun. He was shouting like, "There's a wolf! There's a wolf! Help me! Help me!" And there are some farmers over there. Farmers, they heard like, "Oh, why the little boy is shouting like that? Maybe he was in a trouble. Let us help him." So the farmers in the village heard his cries and rushed out to the village to help the shepherd boy and his sheep. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" All farmers, they came and they asked the boy, "Where is the wolf? Why are you crying like that? But we don't see any wolf there." So the shepherd boy laughed. He laughed because he was trying to take a fun. The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha! I fooled all of you. What he said finally, it was very bad. You shouldn't say like that. He said, I fooled you. I was only playing a trick on you. The boy said, I was trying to play a trick on you. The villagers were very angry and grumpy. They kept their face like a grumpy. And they went away. The next day, the boy played the same trick. Again, the boy played the same trick and he shouted, Wolf, Wolf. The villagers annoyed. They didn't care about that. And a few days later, a wolf really came. My goodness. Again, a few days later, a boy was with the shepherds. Then a wolf came. It was a real wolf. The boy shouted, help me, help me, help me. But the villagers felt like, yeah, this boy is doing some acting. We really don't take this one seriously. Everybody thought the boy was playing a trick again. So nobody came and helped him. The wolf killed many of his sheep. That was very sad thing. Because earlier he done very bad that he was lying with everyone because he was taking fun. Now really the wolf came and the wolf killed all the shepherds. It was very bad. The boy felt very sorry. How the boy felt? The boy felt very sorry for telling lies. He should not lie. The moral of this story is, do not lie to have fun. Do not lie to have a fun. Hope you enjoyed the story and read the story. This is the story for UKG. And Saturday it is a holiday, jolly day, and see you on Monday.